Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with GE refrigerators, the EF error code from 2025 models. If you've got this blinking on your fridge, don't panic. It's often something you can fix yourself with a few simple steps. I'm here to walk you through it all in a straightforward way. First off, what does the EF error code mean? In GE refrigerators, EF typically stands for an evaporator fan problem. This could be related to the fan not working properly, a faulty sensor, or even issues with the defrost system. It's your fridge's way of saying, hey, something's up with my cooling mechanism. This error is more common in models from 2025 due to some electronic updates, but the fixes are pretty universal. Let's get into troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your refrigerator for about 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might make the error disappear. Once it's plugged back in, check if the fan is running. Open the freezer door and listen for a whirring sound from the back. If it's not spinning, there could be ice buildup blocking it. Use a hairdryer on a low setting to melt any frost, but be careful not to get water inside the unit. Next, inspect the evaporator fan for any visible damage or loose wires. If you're comfortable, you can clean it with a soft brush, but remember to wear gloves and avoid touching electrical parts. If the error persists, it might be a sensor issue or a more complex problem like a defrost timer malfunction. In that case, grab your owner's manual and run a diagnostic test if your model has one. If none of this works, it's time to call in a professional technician. They can use specialized tools to diagnose and fix deeper issues, ensuring your fridge runs smoothly without risking further damage. Remember, always prioritize safety. Never attempt repairs if you're unsure. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle that EF error code head-on. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.